Good morning, everyone. My name is Raj Patel from Aero section. My topic is a bit tree, a data structure for fast file processing. So, what is a bit tree? Here, a bit tree is consists of a number of nodes. Each nodes contain a number of pointers, specters by key, and keys are sorted like key I greater than less than key I plus 1 less than key I plus 2. Here one of the table. So key I PTR key I plus 1 is a less than of key I. Pi plus 1 is a less than of pi. Ki plus 2 is a less than of ki plus 1 and pt plus 2. So no duplicates key in a tree. So example of bit tree means binary tree, bit tree. So keys are A, B, E, G, H, L, O, P, Q, S, T, U, etc. So here a binary tree chart. One of this is a main of here. Uh, this box is considered about GO and this one of W. So there is a chart of a binary tree. Uh, D tree used in a keys in a binary tree. D tree means distraction bait. So D of KL is equal to B plus M minus 1 minus log of K plus L. So here minus B is equal to bias to use of 0 for special purpose. My M is equal to length of keys and M is equal and X is equal to stranger parts of X and plus is equal to exclusive or. Example, assume B is equal to 8 and M is equal to 8. So key K 2 not 2110 and key P is equal to 215. So distinction position exclusive or minus 5 binary tree. So key 210 is equal to 1101010. Key P 215 11010110. So then after exclusive zero position 00000 00001 So d of kp is equal to 8 plus 8 minus 1 minus 2. So is equal to 16. Binary tree data structure. So internal nodes of binary tree are the same as a bay tree. So leaf nodes data leaf node structure is a dis- distinction binary tree. Distinction bit like a DT and RRN means relative records number RID and key node DT is a leaf nodes are shorted description. So here a box of a DI, RRNI, DI plus 1, RRNI plus 1, DI plus 2, RRNI plus 2. So here DI is a greater value in the first value. Then RRNI is a small value, last value. So P10, K11, P11, K19. So P10 is a joint about P22 and P22 is a infinite is a internal nodes and that side of a leaf nodes. Binary tree algorithm. So finding search key K in a leaf nodes. Here, to search leaf nodes for a particular keys k, assign r naught to the variable found and for each di state starting with I is equal to 1, test the die bit k. If it is a on assigned ri, assigned to r, a variable are found. When the end of the nodes are reached, the relatives record number in refound is the record number of the record 1 2 if records is in 5. So we discuss about a theorem. If the entry for the keys q is the leaf, these leaf searching algorithms will queue in the leaf of algorithm will find it. So that's prove that assume that a refound is a bigger smaller than k. So r value is a smaller than k and claim their accumulation is a flaw. Now uh, this is a theorem. Entry for q is a leaf and this leaf searching algorithm will q. So we prove that r value is smaller than k. So query find k 85 binary value means 1 not 1 not 1 not 1. So this is a k value 1 not 1 not 1 not 1, and this is a leaf nodes like r not 1, r16, r23, r32, r46, r5. How they put? So here this is a binary representation. Their value of 65 after their refound is equal to r naught. After MSB, we will put of value 1 in this position. So this is a d1 is equal to 1. So refound is equal to 1. Then after 3 and r3 value we will put of b is equal to 1. So 126 are put in 6, r4 is a put in of 124, and r3 and 3 is a put in about 85. So d5 is equal to 6, d r found is equal to r3, r3 is equal to 85 is equal to 85 and k is equal to 85. So both are r3 and k value are same because uh, r is less than smaller than k. But here r3 value r3 is a 3 and k value is 85. So r smaller than k. Number of search key in a leaf nodes. If given queries is range queries or inspire queries, it is possible that search key doesn't exist of leaf nodes. Suppose the records was not found, then after that time first component of distinction bit d3 search key k and ki compute the distinction bit d between search key k and ki. So here when we will put our k and ki value. So when if k greater than of ki, so that time scan the entire ring following di, skipping those worst distinction bits are greater than d. The first following records with a distinction bit smaller than d has the smallest key which are large than search key. If k less than ki, that time scan backward starting with di until the first smaller than equal to restriction bit dj and d that is a found. This kj is the largest on smaller than searching key. So this is the same different queries of previous problems. We have already discussed about problem same types. So here values in queries insert key 85 binary 1 not 1 not 1 not 1. After leaf nodes reach, we got r found. So we will already do. This is the first step and this is second step. So R found is equal to 85. Thank you.